Hello there, smart learner. Oh my goodness is my name. You may address me as Mr. OMG. I enjoy math questions until I have to eat math questions 5 times a week. I eat primary questions for breakfast, secondary questions for lunch, JC questions for snack, university questions for dinners, math Olympiad questions for suppers. I'd like to share with you what I eat in a week. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. If you're lucky, your comment will appear in one of my videos. Decimal questions from my pals are here. Number 1. Find the product of 2.038 times 100. This, if you multiply this, you can move the decimal 2 times because times 100. So move 1, 2, so you get 203.8. Second questions. What is 10,500 divided by 3.005? This 9,000. What is divided by 3? 3,000, right? So the answer is supposed to be 3,000. That's the answer. Number 3. 6.07 in kilometer and meters. This is 6 kilometer plus 0.07 kilometer. And 0.07 kilometer times 1,000 meter. Yeah, because 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So this is 70 meter. So the answer is this. Number 4. 12.4 liter was used to paint 8 identical walls. How much paint was used to paint each wall? So 12.4 liters, we switch into milliliter first, times 1,000. That's 12,400 milliliter. And then we divide it by 8. Just use fast calculations. This is 15,050. And that's the answer, number 1. Next questions from my pals are here. Decimal. 98,431 divided by this. Yeah. Look at the decimal is here. There is decimal here. There is 3 number behind decimal. So how to find the missing number? It's simply 1,000. 1,000. Because each 0 move the 1 decimal to the right. And how about this? 161 divided by 700. First 0, because we cannot divide. There is no multiple 700 greater than this. 0, 0. What 6, 10, 1? 0 again, because we put decimal here. And there is 2. 210. Another 0, 3. And finish. And that's the answer. 0.23. Number 7. What is this in meters? 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So this divided by 10. Divided by 100. Yeah. You move the decimal from here, the default. Move 2 to the left. So 12.8 meters. Okay, next one. This supermarket prawn are sold $1.68 for every 100 gram. 2 kilogram is 2,000 gram. 2,000 divided by 100. So we have 20 packet of this. So 20, 1.68 times 20, which give us 336, yeah, 3360, and 2 number behind decimal, so we put here 2 number behind decimal. The answer is 33.6, and that's the answer, 33.6. Word problem decimal from my pals book. Zahid bought a game console. He paid
a deposit $180 and paid the remaining in 12 months amount of payment in days. So basically, this is the idea. Zahid based this game console. He paid first $180, yeah, and then he paid the remaining for 12 months, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So there will be 12. Yeah, let's assume there is 12. Okay, and each of the payments 67.65. Yeah, 67.65 each payment. Same amount for 12 times. How much did game console cost? The game console cost is first we 67.65. This we multiply by 12 first. Yeah, this is multiplication decimal. 0, put 1 here, 13, 15. The trick is we forgot the decimal first. We need to ignore the decimal first and plus them. You can try to count yourself. This is 8. Yeah, one, right? It's, yeah, so 81,180. Yeah, but the decimal, there are two number behind decimal. Now we care about the decimal. Yeah, two number behind decimals, that means this. Yeah, okay. So the answer is 881.80. Yeah, but we need to remember there is also Zahid also paid for deposit, so we plus 180. Yeah, 180.00 actually. Okay, yeah, so we plus, this is 80, the decimal is here, 1, yeah, 9, 9. So 991.80 is the total. Yeah, Mr. Yu had 15 kilogram of sugar. Number 10. Yeah, we're gonna discuss about number 10 now. Mr. Yu had 15 kilogram of sugar. After packing sugar equally into 12, she had 240 gram left over. So basically here he has 12 identical containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each of these identical and each of them 15 kilogram sugars. 15 kilogram each. Yeah, 15, 15. Okay, yeah. So in total there are 15 times 12, which give us 150 kilogram of sugar. Yeah. However, there are another sugar left over, which is 240 grams. Yeah. 240 grams is good, we can say 0.24. Why? Because 240 divided by 1000. Yeah, 1 kilogram is 1000 gram, so this divided by 1000, so we get this is about 0.24. Okay, yeah, how we get that? Okay, this 7 cannot be divided by there is no multiplier of 1000. Yeah, so 0 here, 0, 240, so we add another 0 here, we put decimal. Yeah, and 2, 2000, and the rest is 400, put 0 here, 4, so 0.24. Okay, yeah, so in total is 150 kilogram. 180, I mean, sorry, 180 kilogram, 0.24 kilogram, and that's the answer. Primary question decimal from my pulsar here. The total TikTok bookness of stack 63 books is 151 centimeter. We convert to centimeter. Okay, yeah. So how thick is each book of the remaining books? What is the remaining books? So there are 17 books. 24 books we know, and the remaining books we don't know. And how many books is that? We count, minus them. Those 22 books. So each of these 22 books, what is the thick of the remaining? Okay, because we know every thickness of each book here, and we don't know the rest. Okay, yeah, let's count first. What is 17 times 2.5? That. Okay, yeah, and this times this, that. Yeah, to find the thickness, total thickness we can know, by minus them all. 73.7, it's the thickness. So to count this, how? It's by division, this, and 3.35 is the answer. Primary questions decimal from my pulsar here. Total capacity of 2 identical kettle is same as capacity of 5 identical jugs. And as we can see, the question is the objective here is to find the capacity of a jug in milliliter. They tell us the water inside the capacity of 12 jugs and 4 kettles, and that is 7.6 liter, and they want to ask what is 1 jug in liter. Okay, yeah. So in order to find this, let's use unitary models, which is let's say this is 10 unit because this is 2, this is 5, yeah. To make it fair, let's make it 10 unit assume. Okay, so if this is 10 unit, each of these kettles, I mean, the yellow one, yeah, the jugs is the blue one, it's 5 unit, 5 unit, while the jugs is 2 unit each, 10 divided by 5, understand, yeah, and 2 units here. So we know the size of each capacity for jugs and kettles, and there are 12 jugs here, 12 jugs, that means 24 units, okay, yeah. And how about kettles? Kettles, that will be 4 kettles, which is 20 units. In total, there will be 44 units, and that 44 unit is 17.6 liter, which we convert to milliliter into 17,600 milliliter. Okay, yeah. So we know 1 unit is 400 milliliter, and then we can count what is 1 jug. 1 jug is only 2 units, which is 800 milliliter, and that's the answer.